What's good, everybody? It is your boy June, and today we're going to be doing a review and install of the Strapinno Strap tandem dual straps that go on the trailer. So stay tuned and let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to install the new tandem dual straps here on my brand new Sea-Doo switch, and there's nothing better than to have Strapinno straps on my trailer because one, I've already have used these straps for years already, and they have done nothing but good things for me. They've kept my ski on the trailer and I've made me worry free. So today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how easy it is to install these things on here, and it's simple. You basically got to strap them to this corner here so you can actually have room to put them up onto the hull, and it'll strap down. It's one single bolt. You got a bracket, but that's all you need, really all you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to put this thing together. All right, so what comes in this box basically is everything you need to install onto your trailer. So you have 2 bolts and a bracket, and there's one for each strap. So basically this is all you need. I want to tell you, these things are just amazing. Like, you know, just so you see, you press this button right here and the strap, just like that. Retractable straps. They're made out of aluminum, steel, and polyester. I've had no issues with these things, and I've had the first prototype when they first came out. I had them on my ski, and they did nothing but wonders for me. I love them. They, you know, you don't have to worry about any tied up ends. You don't have to tie up your ends when you're at the boat dock. It's just quick, hit the button, you know, pull or release, and you're ready to go, either into the water or go home safely. So these things here, the new Marina ones, are definitely the ones you want to go with, but they're super easy to install. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on. So you can see they got just one bolt. You just add one bolt to it. Now some trailers you may need to add the bracket. Some trailers you don't need to add the bracket. You just add the bolt and then angle it where you want it, tighten it down, and you're good to go. This is the bracket, as you can see. So if you had to like elevate it off of the trailer, this is the bracket you actually want to go with. Then you have your stainless steel bolts, which I can't get out of the bag. All right, stainless steel bolts comes with a washer and a nut. So we're gonna go ahead and mount this one now. I don't think I'm gonna need to put the bracket on because it's pretty flat. As you can see, it's pretty flat, and if I have, let me show you real quick, if I put this on here like that, that's basically all I need. It's flat, it reaches directly up to my hook without having to, you know, extend it out. So if I had this actual hook on here, I can actually hook it up like this if I needed to, but I don't need the bracket, so we're just gonna go ahead and mount it directly to the actual trailer. So all you're going to need for this install is going to be a 16mm wrench and an 18mm socket with a ratchet. That's all you need for this one little bolt. We're going to go ahead and install this. Let's go. All we're going to do, unscrew here, and this is how easy it's going to be. Open up. Now, washer, just add the bolt through and then put the nut on. Try to tighten it down as much as possible before you actually take the tools to it. All right, so once we have it lined up, just tighten it on down as much as you can. All right, make sure you lock lock it in place. Now all you do is press this button, bring it up, lock it down, and then strap it down some, and you're back in, and you're in business. It's that easy. That literally took me not even a minute to put on, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. It was that quick to put on the actual trailer. Now they have different straps that you can use they don't mount to the actual trailer. They have like a 2 foot, a 3 foot, 4 foot. These are actually 4 feet, but they have those, you know, your regular ones that you just lock them in, lock it up top, and just crank it down, and that's it. Whenever you're about to put your jet ski or boat in the water, all you have to do is hit that button, release it, and it'll automatically just, you know, you can just pull your strap right off. So all you have to do, press it, release, hit that button, just like that, and you're done. In the water you go. All right, so these are the other style of straps that Strapinno has. These basically, you pull them back and they pull out. No extra thread to tie off, none of that extra line. It's that simple. And with these, you can actually put them on your jet ski or boat also. And all you gotta do is as easy as this. Take the J hook, hook it up, come up here, lock it in. And that's it. One more. There you go. And that's all you do. It's that simple. So taking them off is just as easy as putting them on. So you basically just hit your little button up top here, extend it, it releases, pull it off. And just like that, you're back to having a 1 foot strap that you can store away. Strapinno also comes with a pouch that you can put your straps in to store them in your vehicle or in your boat or vessel, whichever it is. Straps are very good, keeps it protected. Like I said, they come in plastic bags, and you can buy a 2 set or you can buy 4. You know, a pair will come 2, but they also sell them in 4. 2 pairs, if you might say. All right, people, so the review on these things, as you can see, I love them. They are awesome straps. They're retractable. You know, they help keep your vessel secured onto your trailer. You can't go wrong with these things. The marine grades are awesome, especially if you're a boater. They have all different types of straps to where, you know, you can tie down ATVs, motorcycles, you name it. Even furniture, if you need straps for furniture and stuff. But yes, they're very well built. I've been dealing with this company for over, what, 3 years now. I have nothing bad to say about them. All I have is good things to say, and that's why I love promoting them, because they're solid and I use them for everything. So with that, guys, if you guys want to go purchase one of these, you can either go to Amazon or go to strapinnos.com. And if you want to use my code, the link is down below in the description. Make sure you go copy some of these, and make sure that take a picture, send it to me, let me know that you brought yourself one of these bad boys, because I tell you, you're not going to go wrong.